something I've always wanted to do on the GT4 and always wondered about. The vents are covered on the rear bumper. Now, they're there because GT cars, being race cars, now that is an air way to get air out of the car. Some markets, you have to have that covered because for some reason they're not allowed to show the exhaust. I don't know, some kind of legislation for that in some countries. So check your country before you do this, but this will help reduce the parachute effect of the rear bumper. So it's not hard to do. It only took me a minute to do this side, and we'll get going on the other side. I'll show you how it's done. Now, up under the car, it's these little metal clips. I'll show you what they are. There's one from the other side. You see that? So it's not anything big, and they just are held on to little plastic tabs. So we need to slide those out. To do that, I've just got a flathead screwdriver and pick one we can see well. Which one can we see well? That one there. You see that one? Mm-hmm. Okay, so just get under the edge of it and start working it up. And just kind of, if you have a headlamp, it makes it a lot easier. But just get in here and work it, because it's just a metal clip on a plastic tab, and then the heat shield pops right out. It just slides in. So I'll show you when we get this a little bit more. Come on, I'm gonna get in the end of it. That's it, it's coming up now. You can just maneuver around. You can go on the little plastic tab, try to push it one way or the other. My car's got a little bit of just road, kind of sandy gravel there. Not making things easier. There we go. All right, there you go. Got a better angle on the other side. And see that just levers right off? And there it goes. That's off. So all you gotta do, you take off the others. I mean, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, there's 6 of them, I think. We'll keep them together because we need to ever put this back in. We'll continue going around, and then I'll remove it. I'll show you how to just wiggle it out. There we go, reach in, pull that one off. And I think there's one more here. Just a weird angle, that one. There we go. I think that's the last one. Is that the last one? Yep. Okay. Now with that off, I have to, you guys gotta pull it out now. So if you just give it a little tug, it'll come off those little mounts it was on. And you can push from the other side, of course. Just gotta push it up and get it off the mounts. Heat shield is flexible stuff. It's also sharp, so you might want gloves, and you got gravel and dirt, so you might want some eye patch. There we go. Out. Not a hard job at all. With the vents removed, there we go. More race car look, but yeah, that it'll cut some of the parachute effect to the rear bumper, and that's what those vents are for, to get some air through them. So now it can breathe.